Let it go. Let it go. Whoa! Doorbell. Let's go see what's here.
Can you open it?
Yeah, I'll open it. What? Hold on. Whoa. A package. Package. Grab it. Maya goes right in for it. Bring it in, B.
What's that from?
I don't know. Let's see who it's from. It's from Disney. It's from Disney.
Is it mine?
It's from Disney. I don't know. Let's go open it.
Okay.
Break it open. What is that? Oh my gosh. Wow. It looks like it's Anna's dress. Anna's dress from Frozen. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Wow.
This is mine, Daddy.
That's yours, Annie.
Mine.
Maya, what'd you get?
I got Daisy.
Daisy Duck.
Big Daisy. That's a big baby. She's big.
What'd you get, Maya? Let me see your Daisy. Do you love her? Did you meet her at Disney before at Epcot?
Yeah.
Maya?
Yeah.
Yeah, you sure did. Let's try this dress on, okay?
Yeah.
Let me see this. Wow. All right, let's see some spins. A little big, but not too bad. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Where's your boots? And your hair? Where's your hair, Anna? Let's get the full deal going. We're gonna do magic here, okay? Ready? We're gonna turn you into Princess Anna.
1, 2, 3.
Boom! Let me see your hair. You got the white streak. Is that where Elsa hit you with the ice? Let me see your boots. Wow! Awesome! See the full hair? Can you do a spin for me? Anna! It's another Anna! Anna, hey! Which one's Anna? Are you Anna? Don't look too happy about it. I love your boots. Can I see a hug?
Uh-oh.
Give each other a hug. Not Daddy! Give your sister a hug. Aww, cute. All my life has been a series of doors in my face, till suddenly I bumped into you. Let's see some dancing. I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. Maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue. Alright, let's say goodnighty. Love your outfits. Mm. 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 Bye, Daisy. Mm. Bye, Widows. Mm. Bye, cool Disney paper. Mm.